Hello everyone, I am Dr. Paridhi Garg and today I'll be talking about pregnancy and oral care. As a society, it is our moral obligation to make the experience of pregnancy safe and comfortable for our women. And oral care is normally neglected. There is a general belief among the society which discourages pregnant women to visit dentists during pregnancy because they fear that it would harm the baby. But there is no scientific evidence behind this notion. And in fact, if there is an oral infection, it could lead to problems during pregnancy and post pregnancy for you and for your child. So I would advise all pregnant women to visit the dentist if they've been delaying it. Right now, what happens during pregnancy? Now, first of all, there is increased hormones in the body. Usually, the progesterone and the estrogen levels are high, which increases the blood supply to all the mucous membranes in the body. Now, gums in the mouth are one of the mucous membranes where the blood supply increases. Now, because of that, on slight provocation or stimulus, the gums start to bleed. So, most pregnant females have this problem of bleeding gums. Now, this can easily be taken care of by maintaining good oral hygiene, brushing twice, having a good plaque control. Now, apart from this, there are also dietary changes. Now, there are a lot of food cravings during pregnancy, which women have, and they tend to snack at odd times, which increases the acid production in the mouth, leading to further dental decay. Now, there's another problem of morning sickness. A lot of women during their pregnancy go through nausea and acid regurgitation. Now, because of that, the pH decreases in the mouth, which can lead to dental erosion. That is, the tooth can wear away and the enamel weakens and can further lead to dental decay. Now, there is a small tip for morning sickness which I give to all my patients, that 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, just swish it around in your mouth and spit out, and it neutralizes all the acid in your mouth. So this is just to take care of your teeth if you are facing issues of morning sickness. Right now, what happens if you don't tackle tackle these gum issues and your dental decay within the when you can? So basically, 4 to 7 times females with gum issues, pregnant females with gum issues, are more likely to give birth to low weight babies, as well as can have premature delivery. So you will not carry your baby till full term, but you will prematurely deliver the baby, or your baby will be born with a weight which is less than normal, which could lead to further problems in the child development. So this is one thing which you don't want to go through, for you or your family to go through. So just a little care with your oral hygiene can take care of this problem later on. Plus, 40 to 70% women have gum issues during their pregnancy, and only 10 to 15% of women recover from the gum issues post pregnancy. So you understand that you are creating a problem for lifetime because of negligence of just 9 months in your life. Now, this is the reason why I keep recommending all my pregnant patients to make a visit to a dentist. Now, coming on to whether it's safe to visit a dentist and when is the best time to visit a dentist. Now, second trimester, that is between 3 to 6 months, is considered to be the safest period during pregnancy to visit a dentist. But apart from the second trimester, if there is an emergency issue, like you are having some pain, or there is something which is bothering you in your mouth, you can make a emergency visit to a dentist and the dentist can relieve you of your pain for the time being until it is safe to carry out the whole procedure. So I routinely do root canal treatments for my pregnant patients to make them comfortable during their pregnancy. Now, this is not a pregnancy is not a contraindication to any dental treatment. There are some precautions which need to be followed. That's about it, right? So I don't think. And another thing is there is a recommendation to visit a dentist during pregnancy. So this is just for routine dental checkups. Now within the first trimester, you can visit your dentist twice for a routine dental checkup. Second trimester once and third trimester once. So within a span of your 9 months of pregnancy, you can easily visit your dentist 4 times for routine checkups. Now coming on to which drugs are safe during pregnancy. Now, usually no painkillers or no analgesics are recommended during pregnancy except paracetamol. Paracetamol is considered to be the safest drug during pregnancy. Apart from that, antibiotics, penicillins, cephalosporins, erythromycin are safe to take during pregnancy. So the routine antibiotics which are prescribed in general dental treatment, they're all safe to be prescribed during pregnancy if required. So there has to be a recommendation. You should need those antibiotics to be prescribed. That's about it. I mean, this has to be followed even in general dental patients, that there has to be a recommendation to prescribe those antibiotics. Only then they should be prescribed. So pregnancy is no different than a routine dental checkup or a routine or you are safe to get any routine dental treatments also done during pregnancy. So I hope I was able to clarify some doubts which are mostly there among people during pregnancy, and I hope you have a great experience. Your pregnancy experience is great, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.